A very good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. Hope you all are safe at home. Let us continue with our lesson today. Subject English Grammar, Lesson number 5, Nouns and Gender. Today let us study the masculine and feminine forms of some nouns. Monk. Monk is a masculine gender. Feminine gender for the monk is nun. Nun is the feminine gender. Next example is of shepherd. Shepherd is a masculine gender and feminine gender of shepherd is shepherdess. Another example is of emperor. Emperor is masculine gender and feminine gender of emperor is empress. Next example is ram. Ram is a masculine gender. Feminine of ram is Eve. Next example is waiter. Waiter is masculine gender. Feminine gender of waiter is waitress. Next is wizard. Wizard is masculine gender. Feminine gender of wizard is witch. Next example is of gander. Gander is masculine gender. Feminine gender of gander is goose. Next example is of drake. Drake is a masculine gender and feminine gender of drake is duck. Next example is deer. Deer is masculine gender. Feminine gender of deer is doe. Another example, bridegroom is a masculine gender. Feminine gender of the bridegroom is his bride. Next example, fox. Fox is a masculine gender. Feminine gender of fox is vixen. Next example is brother-in-law. Brother-in-law is a masculine gender. Another example is sister-in-law. It's a feminine gender. Dear children, earlier the word actress we used for a female actor. But now we use the noun actor for both males and females. Dear children, page number 14 of your workbook, there is a crossword. Read the numbered clues. Solve the crossword using nouns of opposite gender. There is word given across. You have to write tiger, grandmother, fifth is monk, sixth is nephew, and seventh is deer. And on the right side you can see down it is written. First one is fox, third is hero, and fourth is goose. So the word which is, for example, tiger, okay, across tiger's opposite you have to write. Okay, so this you are going to solve on your own. Let's move ahead with C. Replace the nouns printed in red with nouns of opposite gender. Dear children, here nouns which are written with red, we have to write its opposite gender. Let's see the first sentence. My sister is a very talented actor. Here, sister is written in red. So, what is the opposite gender of sister? Brother. Right. So, what you will write? My brother is a very talented actor. Is that clear, my dear children? Let's move ahead to remaining fill in the remaining sentences. Second sentence. The boy played the role of a king in the play. Here boy and king is written in red. So opposite of boy is what? Girl. And opposite of king is queen. So you will write the girl played the role of a queen in the play. Okay. Third sentence. This cow belongs to my aunt. Opposite of cow is ox. And aunt opposite gender is uncle. So the sentence will be, this ox belongs to my uncle. Fourth one. The princess fell off the horse. Princess and horse is in red. So opposite of princess is what? Prince. And opposite of horse is mare. So the prince fell off the mare. Let's see the fifth one. Girls can sit in the women's lounge. Opposite of girls is boys. And opposite of women's is men's. So the sentence will be, boys can sit in the men's lounge. Sixth one. The shepherd had many sheep. Shepherd is in red. So shepherd's opposite gender is what? Shepherdess. So the shepherdess had many sheep. Seventh one. The wizard played many tricks on the boys. Wizard and boys is in red. So opposite of wizard is witch. And opposite of boys is girls. So come on, tell me what will be the sentence? Very good. Good try. The witch played many tricks on the girls. Now, last sentence. The lion lay alone in the den. Which is written in red? Lion. Tell me what is the opposite gender of lion? Lioness. So, the sentence will be, come on, say. Very good. The lioness lay alone in the den. So, I hope this exercise is clear to you. Now, let's begin with D. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from those given in the brackets. Here we are provided brackets and we have to select the correct word. Let's begin with first sentence or first fill up. We saw a dash waiter or waitress quarreling with her manager. What do you think is the correct answer? With her means female. So, waitress is the correct answer. Second, the dash fox or vixen at the zoo gave birth to a litter of puppies yesterday. Gave birth means it has to be female gender. So, what is the correct answer? Vixen. Okay. So, the vixen at the zoo gave birth to a litter of puppies yesterday. Third sentence. The dash duck or drake laid her eggs in a bush. Now, female can lay eggs. So, which is the female gender, duck or drake? Correct. Duck. So, duck is the correct answer. Fourth one. Ritu's sister's husband is her dash. Now, Ritu's sister's husband is her sister-in-law or brother-in-law. Husband means male. So, brother-in-law is the correct answer. Fifth one, the dash licked her cubs. Tiger or tigress? Licked her cubs means female gender. So the correct answer will be, come on, say. Very good, tigress. Sixth one, little Bo Peep lost her sheep. She was a dash. Shepherd or shepherdess? Yes, she was means female gender. So what is the female gender here? Shepherd or shepherdess? Yes, shepherdess is the correct answer. Seventh one, dash nuns or monks live in a nunnery while dash nuns or monks live in a monastery. So the first answer, correct answer is nuns stay in nunnery and monks live in a monastery. Last Phillips. The dash witch or wizard flew away on her broomstick. On her broomstick means? Yes, female gender. So witch is a female gender or wizard is a female gender? Yes, witch is the female gender. So here witch is the correct answer. I hope this 2 exercise is clear to you, and now you can recognize masculine and feminine gender. So my dear children, in your worksheet 5, first question, that is A, is homework for you, and answer to this will be sent to you through your PDF like yesterday. I will repeat again that please write it in very good handwriting. Keep your book neat and tidy. The presentation should be beautiful. Okay, dear children? So, we end here now. Take care. Stay home. Be safe. Bye.